Well, we're shifting tracks here. We're getting in some breaking news that there's a big Trinamool Congress BJP face-off now going on in the national capital. Trinamool Congress leaders protesting outside the Prime Minister's office. In fact, we are getting these visuals of the Trinamool Congress MPs trying to enter South Block. They're opposing the arrest of party MP Sudeep Bandopadhyay in the Rose Valley chit fund scam. So there you see it, visuals of the Trinamool Congress MPs who are protesting against that particular arrest. We have seen violence escalating in Kolkata as well. But once again, leading from front, Derek O'Brien getting into an argument with the cops who are deployed there for security. In fact, we were witness to similar scenes yesterday as well, with Trinamool Congress lawmakers staging a protest against the arrest of Sudeep Bandopadhyay. Let's go straight across and see a report that has been filed by India Today's correspondent Anindya Banerjee.
This is not an ordinary place that you are seeing on the screen. This is the Prime Minister's office and South Block, and where the TMC MPs are protesting. They are protesting, demanding the removal of the Prime Minister. What they say there has been unwarranted harassment by the union government, particularly in the Chitgate face-off, and that's why you see all the senior MPs, all the senior members of Parliament, be it Shatabdi Roy, be it Saugata Roy, be it Derek O'Brien, be it Kalyan Banerjee, everybody is here shouting slogans. Sir, what are you demanding? What are you demanding?
मोदी हटाओ देश बचाओ।
अब आपका डिमांड क्या है?
देश को मोदी जी ने नंगा कर दिया है, गरीबों के पेट में लात मारा है।
शताब्दी रे, what are your demands?
मोदी हटाओ, जो भी है वो
देश बचाओ। Well, very clearly you can see Saugata Roy speaking here. If my camera person Pinaki Sen can show.
Why are you raising that issue? We are protesting against demonetization. Why do you want to?
What are your demands?
Protesting against demonetization and protesting against political vendetta. We are not concerned about what BJP says. Our protest will go on. Modi हटाओ,
Kalyan Banerjee,
Modi हटाओ, अरे मोदी हटाओ,
unprecedented situation outside the Prime Minister's office, unprecedented scenario, because this is not only a scene of chaos but is also an infringement of security, considering the fact this is a very highly protected area, and also the fact that 26th January, the Republic Day, is not very far off, and that's why this area is already extremely it is made sure that not everybody and anybody can come here and protest. But this time the protesters are none but the member of parliament themselves. That's why they could get in here and protest, and that's why you see the security personnel in Prime Minister's office going into a TZ. They don't understand what to do, because the protesters themselves are member of parliament who enjoy certain amount of immunity. But even as we speak, Delhi police personnel who have come here to make sure that to ensure that they don't they back off, that is not happening for sure. But probably the only option that is left at this point of time is to detain this member of parliament and take them to the nearest police station. Reporting from outside Prime Minister's office with Pinaki Sen, I am Anindya Banerjee for India Today.